guys, it's Vlogmas day 5. Thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy today's vlog. Alright, so I just got my baby pink. I just ran for my life looking for it because it was delivered to the wrong address. But yes, so I'm going to use these 2 pinks. The mommy to be sent me a picture of her cake, so I'm happy I just checked in with her. So these are the 2 pinks I'm going to use for this marble order. So yes, let's get into this order. This is what you're going to need. I'm just going to do some white chocolate, some Color Mel baby pink, some Chef Master pink, and I'm just going to do a marble with these 2 colors. So yeah, this is so cute.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can.
Alright, so now I'm going to take these out and put them over here. So
I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
alright guys, so this is the Rice Krispies fresh out of the mold. So some of them are like a little ashy, but it's okay. And you see some of the Rice Krispies is peeking through. So this happens when you push it too much. So it's okay. I'm gonna add a little gold later, so it's okay. But yes, look how cute. So cute.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
look at how cute these turned out. Don't you guys love how cute these turned out? If you would like to inquire about an order, you guys can visit me on Instagram at Winged by E Treats. My website is currently being finalized.
You know get the time for the